This is Ben from Testive, and we're answering a natural sciences ACT question. As it is used in lines 55 to 56, the phrase scientific investigation has not diminished its prestige most likely means. Okay, so let's first read that part of the passage. It was another of the magical wonders of the unknown South, and as such, it formed the basis of many a sea dog's yarn. So we're talking about the coal sacks. Scientific investigation has not diminished its prestige, and today, no traveler in the southern hemisphere is indifferent to its fascinating strangeness, while some find it the most impressive spectacle of the Antarctic heavens. Okay, so we're talking about how fascinating the coal sack is. We're talking about how impressive of a spectacle it is. So now let's see if we can rule some answer choices out here. So this phrase, scientific investigation has not diminished its prestige, most likely means the importance of the subject has not been affected. Okay, it doesn't exactly say affected by what. This could be the correct answer because the whole passage is about the coal sacks. And has not been affected corresponds with has not diminished its prestige. So I'm going to put a maybe there. Learning more about a phenomenon has not made it less inspiring. Okay, so scientific investigation would be learning more about a phenomenon. That's what scientific investigation is. And has not diminished its prestige matches pretty well with has not made it less inspiring. So that's a pretty likely, especially within the context of this paragraph where we saw that we're talking about fascination and how impressive of a spectacle the coal sack is. That would match up nicely with the word inspiring. Scientists still find the subject worth studying. We weren't talking about scientists down there. We were just talking about travelers. The travel in the South are more marvelous than in the North. I think this is supposed to say travelers, but we're not talking about we're not describing the travelers. We're describing the coal sacks. We can rule that out. So that leaves us with the first two choices. And the second, and really this is a case of choosing the best answer as opposed to the right one. The first one is probably right, but the second one is the best because it most directly explains the use of the phrase scientific investigation, and diminishing prestige matches up well with inspiring. So this is going to be the correct answer choice, more so than one about importance.